Another day, another model from our most recent aircraft delivery from my favorite dealer/busher. Today's aircraft is the 1/400 scale NG Models Air New Zealand A321-271 NX with winglets. This jet is wearing the complete all blacks livery as a gesture towards their sponsorship of the New Zealand All Black rugby team. NG Models produced this aircraft in 2023. The aircraft is powered by two Pratt & Whitney 113G high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 33,100 pounds force or 147 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 240 passengers, depending on class arrangement and layout. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 450 knots or 833 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 4,000 nautical miles or just over 7,400 kilometers. As a note for collectors, this model has also been built by several other model producers over the last few years in 1/500, 1/400, and 1/200 scales. Originally, this A321 was delivered to Air New Zealand in November of 2018 with the registration of ZK-NNA, a registration that it carries today in early 2023. After its delivery in Frankfurt, Germany, the aircraft was ferried to New Zealand via Oman and Malaysia before beginning paid service within New Zealand and to international spots around Australia and the Southern Pacific Ocean. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you don't want to miss one of these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos on our channel, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you, and good day.